As you can see, I finally have my first Apple Vision Pro, and one of the things I heard that was truly exciting was the fact that you could play piano with Apple Vision Pro on. So yeah, I knew this was one of the first things that I needed to try out. Luckily, I know Simply Piano, they have this awesome new app that allows you to project a virtual piano inside of your space, but also put it on your own piano, and then you can actually play along. It's been a while that I've been playing piano, and for me it's just the perfect moment to pick things up again. I just want to try this out and just see how this works. So let's first start by going to the App Store, and then we need to find the Simply Piano app. So games, and let's go for Simply, search. There it is. Get it. All right, so double click to install the app. There we go, Optic ID. All right, so the app is installed. Let's open it. Simply Piano. We're gonna get a small demonstration here. Let's put it right in front of me. The sound is really cool. Oh, this is the feature I'm most excited about, just playing in front of an audience. Okay, so these are the two options that you have. You have a real piano, which is the case here, and a virtual piano, which you can see is still an experiment from Simply. So let's start with the real piano. Obviously, that's the case with us. So we need to position ourselves in the front of the piano. Look at your hands. And we need to pinch with our hands to see the piano keys, and we need to align them perfectly.
Stand still for a couple of seconds.
And once in place, we need to stand still once when it's good. So let's make sure it's perfect.
Great. Now go ahead and play the glowing key 3 times.
All right, now let's go ahead and play the glowing key 3 times. There you go. Get this nice animation effect that's pretty wild. And here we can play our next song, I Just Can't Wait to Be King, from The Lion King.
This is the staff. It's where notes are placed to be played. This
back.
is middle C.
This is the middle C. Oh wow, you see this whole projection coming up.
Play middle C.
Play middle C. There you go, immediately recognized. D, D, C, D. Like, the response is incredibly good. Now we need to play a song by Johann Strauss. And you also see that when you're missing the note, it's actually pausing until you play that note. So right.
Raise your right hand and look at it.
Oh wow, it's showing exactly how the numbers are assigned to your different fingers.
Pinky is number 5.
Thumb is number 1, pinky is number 5.
Case, use your thumb for middle C, your index finger for D.
This is so fun, and the responsiveness is incredible. Now let's go to our first song, I Just Can't Wait to Be King. And honestly, this is really a fun way to learn to play the piano. I honestly think this is the best way for people to learn. There's the song, I Just Can't Wait to Be King, from The Lion King.
I'm gonna be a mighty king.
Quite so king.
I'm gonna be the main event. I just can't wait to be king.
Alright, song completed. Oh wow, the animation is really cool. I've unlocked our Jingle Bell Sleigh Ride song. Let's do that. So cool. Oh my god, we're just going on a mountain skiing, or I don't know what it is. Okay, that's crazy. Really have the feeling you're on the sleigh for Santa. Oh, small mistake there. Okay, that was awesome. And we completed the song. Continue to the next phase. One of the most exciting things of Simply, and that's the live show experience, the one I've been so excited about and waiting for. So let's do that. All right, there we go. The curtains are coming around me. Applause from all sides. It's like the spatial audio is crazy good. Oh, lightness and a big piano in front of me. Oh my God, I'm getting goosebumps here. It's just so well done. Lights flashing on me, and there I have to play. Feel like a kid when you were a kid and had to perform in front of your parents. Oh, and look at that. Confetti everywhere. This is truly well done. Oh. Also the people clapping. Looks pretty okay. And then our He's a Pirate 3-star achievement. And the curtains closing. Oh wow. Alright, so lastly I want to show you that you can put your achievements on the wall through the widgets. Let's go to a widget right there, and we have the new Simply Piano widget. And check, you can see you can add your different widgets here. Let's add this big one. I want it on the wall. There, bam. Check that out. And if you want, you can change the parameters as well. Smaller, like that. And we can change the color and the width of the frame. Let's make it more of a beige, maybe a little bit more brown, just like that. And then if you want, you can increase the width of the frame to give it that more 3D look. Looks really nice. Let's make it a little bit bigger and hit done, and there you go. And now when we're playing the piano, we have our achievements right on top. So yes, that was Simply Piano. Truly a unique experience. I think this is just the beginning, what we can do here with Apple Vision Pro regarding instruments. And obviously it makes sense to start with the piano because we have our hands right in front of us, and the reaction and sound response is really good. So yeah, if you want to check out Simply Piano, make sure to check the description below. So yeah, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon and like this video, and see you in the next one. Thanks.